this video shows you how to use demographic breakdown in EdiVote. So first of all, we need to create a demographic. Therefore, we create a new slide. So we click on EdiVote Create Slide. We use horizontal bars. Let's say we have 5 demographics, and it's called Choose Your Team. Blue, yellow, no, red, yellow, green, pink, and orange. Okay, that's our teams. The second thing we need is to change this to a demographic. So we go on EdiVote Options, Question Properties, and go here on Demographic. If you use a roster, you can skip that part, but in general, we're going to use this for my testing at least. So then we create our question, just a random question. I will not put any text in it. Say we have 5 options. No, let's create one with 7 options, so we see it better. And last but not least, so first we need to give that a name, also in the question properties, and say that's my question for demographic. So, and then last but not least, we need to create our demographic breakdown slide, which we have on Create Slide, Demographic Breakdown. It must also have 7 options, which is the same as the one that we have now here. And I'm going to call it Demographic Break. And then it creates my slide. What I don't need here is this. I can move that out. We probably also can move out the question. I'm never deleting anything, I just move it out the slide because I wanna have a large slide here. I probably need the complete space. It looks fuzzy at the moment, so what I need to do is on this one, I need to go EdiVote Options, Question Properties, and you see it's different. So the first thing I need to select is my demographic that I want to split my question in. And the second one is the question itself, which is my question here. Question for demographic. And I want to see percentages, that's going to be fine. So that's all I need to do for the moment. And then before I run the actual show, because I want to format this chart, I'm going to run it once. So because at the moment you will see it shortly, it will look special. So I'm going to simulate 100 results in, and you see it directly skips to blue. And when I click on it, you see that's all my results. And now I need to format this to look good. Yeah. And whatever is written here on choice 1 to 7. So if I call this A's, A1, A2, A3, just make it short names. That's gonna be. That's the stuff that's written underneath here. Yeah. So, but now I need to format this. So I'm gonna edit existing, and I'm gonna first format the data labels. Font is 9. Well, make it 10, and the line like this. So like this. Font 9. So if you have less options, you have more space to show it. So I'm gonna do this. So nine, tak, 9, thank you. So that's oh, that's all. Yeah. No, that one and that one. probably need to make it 6 and regular. Gonna make it 6. Yep, so we're gonna format it. So 8 regular. And you probably wanna just create it even less small. So then we're gonna 8 regular, so we do it this way. Okay, so but what I also need to do is I need to, so the red is okay, yellow needs to be a yellow, green needs to be green. I don't want this now, I know I use the lighter colors, it looks better. Pink's gotta be pink, well, so we probably do it this way, and orange is orange. Oh, so we have a small, you see it's already looking better, but it's not perfect. No. The good thing is, if I change it once, I just need to do this once. If I run through my complete presentation again, so now it's calculated, and here's my result. So you have the overall result, which is 10% here, but it's 14% of the red ones, 6% of the yellow ones, 16% of green, and 10% of pink. That's my teams, and here it says now A1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can still format it better so that you can really see the legend, for example. It doesn't have to be on the top. It can be like here, so and then you already see it better. You can change the font to Arial and all these things, so you can actually make it look good to most degrees. But the more answers you have, the more problems you will have formatting it. But this is the way it works. Thank you for watching.